Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we are going to learn about Islam. The word Islam means submission of the God of will. Islam is the second largest religion in the world with over 1 million followers. The 2021 census recorded 1591000 Muslims in the UK, around 2.7% of population. Muslims believe that Islam was revealed over 1400 years ago in Mecca, Arabia. Followers of Islam are called Muslims. Muslims believe that there is only one God. The Arabic word for God is Allah. According to Muslims, God sent a number of prophets to mankind to teach them how to live according to His law. Jesus, Moses, and Abraham are respected as prophets of God. They believe that the final prophet was Muhammad. Muslims believe that Islam has always existed, but for practical purpose date their religion from the time of the migration of Muhammad. Muslims base their laws on their holy book, the Quran, and the Sunnah. Muslims believe that Sunnah is a practical example of Prophet Muhammad and that there are 5 basic pillars of Islam. These pillars are declaration of faith, praying 5 times a day, give money to charity, fasting, and the pilgrimage to Mecca at least once. Jazakallah, I hope you like my video, so please do like my video, subscribe and give a comment. Thank you so much.